Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's that Van Guy again with another weekly video. If you could like the video and or leave a comment, that would really help with the YouTube algorithm, basically exposing my videos to new viewers and to help my channel grow. So if you could do that for me, I'd appreciate it. Today we got some cool stuff to check out. We got this Hot Wheels 5-pack. It's called Speed Blur. It's got the 77 custom Dodge van in it. And I do loosely collect this Dodge Power Wagon. The other vehicles in the set I don't really care about, so those will probably be given away to kids as freebies at our local Diecast meet. That's usually what I do when I buy 5-packs. I just give away the ones that I don't want to kids. I put them in like little individual Ziploc bags like this that I get from Walmart, dirt cheap. And I think you can get them at Hobby Lobby too, and that way the cars stay nice and fresh. They don't get chipped up or whatever. I just put them in a big box, like a grab bag, and then I just let the kids like each choose one free car. So kind of a cool way to, like, you know, get the kids into it, and you know, they're pretty thrilled when they get a free car that they get to pick. So but yeah, this is the Speed Blur set, so we're gonna open up that and check out all 5 cars in that 5-pack. We also have this M2 model kit, 65 Ford Econoline van. It's kind of like Starsky and Hutch style paint job on it. I think this is like at least the 3rd color. There was a red with the white stripe, then they had a blue with a white stripe, and now it's white with the blue stripe. So 2 different options for wheels and tires. So I'll put that together off camera. Sometimes they don't go together that easy. It can be sometimes frustrating. So we're gonna crack that open and put it together in the second half of the video. Also, we got this cool Scooby-Doo mystery machine, a Hot Wheels premium release. I think it's just like a wheel variation. I do collect this mystery machine casting, and they're all fairly the same. It's kind of just like a wheel variation situation. And this one has been out a little while. Let's see if we can see when the copyright date is on here, if I can spot it. Copyright date right here by my thumb here says 2021, so it was probably a 2022 release, maybe early this year. I've had it for a little while. Finally gonna crack that open, but it's got pretty cool artwork on it if you're a carded collector. Not a whole lot on the back, mostly just licensing stuff. And then last but not least, we'll check out this cool Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture America's Scene 20 Dodge Charger Hellcat. I'm a big fan of lime green and black. So, you know, I try to stick to just vans, but sometimes I want like one example of a casting, and this one is pretty awesome looking. It's you know, it's got the real riders, some concave looking 5-spoke rims on it. It's got the blacked out like muscle car styling with the lime green. I just think it looks really cool. Here's some of the other cars from that set. Corvette, Ford Bronco, Tesla Roadster, Chevelle SS 69, and the Dodge Charger Hellcat. So yeah, the only one I really wanted was the Hellcat of this grouping. Again, from the American Scene set. So yeah, we're gonna crack that open and check it out. So stay tuned. I'll grab the turntable, adjust the camera, and we'll start ripping. Alright, we'll check out the little lift that came with the model kit. It has Econoline writing on it, just painted white. It's got the little feet that are extendable, and I would imagine it's probably, maybe you can adjust the height of the lift. It looks like there's a couple little spaces. I don't usually mess with these. I have a friend that does dioramas, so I usually just give them away to him, and he can use them in like his garage scenes and stuff like that that he makes for 1/64 scale diecast. So there's the lift, and here's the van. It went together fairly well. Shows the one of the two style wheels. Black, chose to do black wall tires. It came with red lines. Here's one of the style wheels. It's kind of like a 5-spoke, and then the wheels on it that I chose are also kind of a 5-spoke. So they're pretty close, but they're a little more like a, not so much of a torque thrust as the ones that I didn't put on. So yeah, there's the 65 Ford Econoline van. I'll keep these spare wheels and axles, and the lift for my buddy Austin that does diecast dioramas. He always appreciates the freebies. Pretty cool piece. It's you know, lowered, but I already have two of this exact same paint scheme in different colors. You know, and it was a little more expensive because it's the kit. You know, it comes with different wheels and tires. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys into the M2 kits? Do you prefer to be able to choose what wheel and tire combo you go with on the vehicle? Do you like the lift that comes with it, or you just would rather see just buy the little square box for, you know, $6, $7, $8 instead of paying, you know, 12, 13, 14 for the kit? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, we'll check out some of these main lines from the Hot Wheels 5-pack. We'll go through the ones I don't really care about. I'm not really a fan of these fantasy castings. But again, there are some vans that are considered fantasy castings too, I guess. So just you know, dollar mainline style car, plastic wheels, kind of like a, I don't know, funky futuristic car. See if we can see what the name of it is on the bottom. Concept, HW50 Concept. Plastic, black plastic base. So there's that one. And then this one looks like it's maybe a twin mill or something. Yeah, twin mill. Twin mill Gen E. Another one I don't really care for. It's got some Hot Wheels graphics on top of the vehicle. Metal. Feels like the top of the body is metal, and then the green part is plastic. Plastic wheels. With some pink chrome trim. Another freebie to give away. Then we got this truck. This is 2015 Ford F-150. If you're into like lifted trucks, this one has a HW logo on it. Almost looks like it's a little bit camouflage. Extended cab pickup truck. Looks pretty cool, I guess, if you're into Ford trucks. I am not, so this will be another freebie for the kids. Now we'll check out this Dodge Power Wagon. I do collect these, kind of. I'm not super serious about it. I have a bunch. See if we can get it in the light just right. Dodge Power Wagon. You can see it above the Hot Wheels logo there. So it's a chrome plastic base, plastic wheels, plastic like bed area. Try to use as much plastic as possible to save on money. Try to keep it around $1. I kind of like the paint scheme on it. I like it's kind of like a, almost like a matte or satin black with the white. I think it's a good color choice. I like the graphics where it says Power Wagon on it. And it has the Dodge logo on the doors. Pretty cool. Not too bad for a dollar car. And then here's the one that I really bought the set for. Custom 77 Dodge van. Black plastic base. Or is this... Actually, no, this is the version with the metal base. And the body is plastic. You can tell the body is plastic because it's got the ribs in the roof. If it had the skylight, then it would be the metal version. I don't think I have one laying around here. And you could just tell it feels really cheap. Like just cheap plastic. So all it is a metal base with plastic wheels and a completely plastic body. And you could just hear the plastic squeak. And like the chrome on top is either like scuffed up or dirty or something, I don't know. Or the chrome is coming off of it. So, not the best example. It's got some speed logos on it. I'm a completist with this custom 77 Dodge van casting, so regardless, I need to buy one for my collection so I can stay complete on it. I don't know how this is going to fare over time. I know sometimes these plastic castings with the like chrome paint on them, they kind of flake off over time. So, and this one's not looking very good from the get-go. So, but yeah, there it is what it is. Next up, we'll check out, this is like one of the probably one of my favorites of this video. I think it's a 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat, I believe. Let's take a look at the base. Metal base, yeah, 2020. Is it 2020? Yeah, 2020. 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. It's got this smooth, slick tires on it, no tread. Concave 5-spoke wheels. I really like how the top is like blacked out, kind of how they used to do it. Like in the 60s, they'd have the blacked out hood on some of their muscle cars. And I just think all the black with the lime green is a really good color choice. It just looks really awesome. So I'm probably not going to collect a lot of this casting. But I did want just one. And this is a pretty awesome version if you're into lime green, which I am. So yeah, pretty cool version. It's got the bulging muscle car hood with the ram air cutouts and stuff. It looks like it's the wide body. It's got like the fender flares on it, and it's got, you know, the fancier like ground effects and stuff, and a rear deck spoiler. So it's got that custom, like, performance-looking grill version, which is a little more aggressive than the regular Charger. And it's got a lot of detail paint on it, so it's pretty cool. Glad to add that to the collection. Hope you guys like that. Let me know what you think of it. And then speaking of green, we got one more green vehicle. Here's the Mystery Machine. I have a bunch of these already. I'm thinking it's probably just a wheel variation. They like to re-release it with different wheels on it for guys like me that keep buying them. But yeah, let's take a look at the base. Looks like it's a raw metal base. You can see it says the Mystery Machine there. It's got treaded tires on it. Get a shot of those wheels, kind of like a 5-slot almost in orange. Pretty detailed piece, orange interior. So one more Mystery Machine to add to the display case. Let me know which one was your favorite. Alright guys, here's everything for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and found it informational. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my Facebook page, That Van Guy, and you can find me on Instagram. I'm that_diecast_van_guy. Also check out the description of this video for info on how you can get 15% off any order with Mascar displays if you're in the market for some display cases. So thanks for watching guys, I appreciate it. Have a great day.